Many people ask, oh, what are the advantages of an online course compared to an attending course? It's a very important question. Well, we've developed this system of massage over the last 30 years, and we'd like to bring it to all the people of the world. So we can't physically go traveling to every little country, every little town in every country and bring this course to you. So that's the first benefit. We can bring this to you in your lounge room at your own time. Many people have work commitments that they can't take time off to come and attend one of our 5 or 10 day courses somewhere. They have children, they have all sorts of different commitments that they just cannot possibly take that time away. So travel costs are reduced. All your time is reduced in terms of you can do this course at your own pace. You can do it on weekends. You could take 6 months to do this course. You could do it in a week. So there's a lot of flexibility involved. Another great aspect of this course is you can review things. So instead of in a attending course, there's a lecture going and maybe you were a bit spaced out that day because you're having a healing crisis from the massage the day before, or maybe something's on your mind with your children and you're not paying attention properly. Well, this one you can do, first of all, in your own space when you're feeling clear, but second of all, you can review it. Just push that rewind. Oh, didn't see what he did there. Let me rewind it. So that's the great advantage of this course. It can be done at your own pace when you're ready, in your right space. You can take your time about doing it and review it clearly. You can maximize the benefits of this course by not just doing what we show you on one person. First of all, do it on as many people as possible, because that's going to be the benefit of attending a course, as you get that multitude of bodies. So if you have more than one friend or family member that you can do it on, I highly recommend you do it on 10 or 20 people, at least. The other thing is to have it done to you so you can experience it. So if you have a friend or a family member that can kind of take this course with you, or at least be an assistant, and then you can experience what it's like to have it done. That also is most of what you're going to experience during a course. We do recommend that you come and learn from us if you have that opportunity. Come and get a massage from myself or an experienced teacher if you can. Get a massage from another Raynor practitioner if you can. But depending upon your circumstances, you may have a lot of children, you may have all sorts of different commitments. So do what you can. It's not a perfect world. We do the best we can. And to enhance your knowledge, get that experience, get the hands-on experience of massaging people. I always say there's 3 different ways to learn massage: watching a teacher demonstrate, having it done to you, and doing it. So as long as you're getting those aspects, you will learn. So from here, you can watch me do it. You can watch it over and over again. Plus, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and you'll see more and more treatments going on. You can then come as you got more experience. If you get a chance, come and get a treatment from me. Come and get a treatment from one of my teachers. Come and get a treatment from one of my students somewhere, if that's possible. If not, get a friend to do the course and have it done to you. That's what's going to happen in our attendance courses. So the other thing is to learn what not to do. So go and get as many massages as possible from people, whether they be trained in other methods, and you can go what you like and what you don't like. So that's a great opportunity too. How is it different than other forms of massage and chiropractic and all these other healing arts? Well, I consider it a very, very holistic treatment. We're looking at the mind, the body, and the spirit, how it all integrates. We're taking what works from a whole lot of different things. Massage styles from around the world. We're taking chiropractic adjustments. We're taking adjustments that chiropractors have taken from shiatsu therapists. We're taking all sorts of different things. So whether they be working on the muscles, whether they be working on the chi, whether they be working on putting joints back into place or making them more supple, we're taking everything that works into a holistic form that has that central goal of getting rid of tension and increasing the vitality of the person. So whether we call that the chi, the ki, the prana, or the vitality, that's what it's all about. It's about making that person feel more whole, more true to themselves, more at peace with themselves. And Raynor Massage looks at every aspect of that. We take what works and we get rid of what doesn't. In order to become certified, we have 2 different paths from doing our online course. One, is you can send us a video of you showing all of the bands, that you understand where all the bands run, the techniques that we show, you can demonstrate them, and a full treatment in which you can then demonstrate things like empathy, rhythm and flow, correct pressure, working with the breath, all of those sorts of things. We can then assess that separately and we can certify you. The second way in which we certify people is to attend one of our certification seminars. During those seminars, I will do a number of demos, or my teachers will do a number of demos, and you can experience it firsthand from myself or the teacher and other people, and you can have any of your techniques clarified or improved or enhanced, and we can assess how you're going with everything. So I recommend, if you have the capacity to, you can find the time, you can come to one of our locations, come and attend one of our certification seminars. We'll be able to help you hands-on with just any fine-tuning that you need.